Parang nararamdaman ko yung hello mga palangga, we are now at Joseph's. Dumating na tayo dito. And ito yung dating number 14 La Peral sa Leonard Street dito sa Baguio. At ito ay tinatawag na White House dati. Magde-dine-in tayo dito. And this is our first time here at Joseph's. And syempre ang ating kaibigan na si Joseph, nagpa-reserve talaga dito for us because this is our first time. So we'll see our experience, let's see the food, we'll try the food and everything that we see, we eat. All you can see.
Saka experience natin. Kasi first time ko din dito, before bata pa ako, nadadaanan ko lang yung area na to. Kinakatakutan talaga to ng lahat, no? Hindi lang ng mga taga Baguio, kundi ng lahat ng tao. Kasi nga, haunted to haunted siya. Pero ngayon, kita nyo naman, dahil sa paglipas ng panahon, isa na siyang restaurant.
Yes, ito yung dating La Peral House na pag-aari ni Don Roberto at Doña Victorina.
So, dahil dyan, experience natin yung Joseph Restaurant and syempre, yung kanilang pagkain. So, excited na ako matikman yun. So, abangan nyo kung ano orderin natin.
Fine dining!
Now, yeah, it is. Diba?
Yes!
So, excited ka na lang,
I'm very excited. At syempre makikita nyo, bagong-bago na siya ngayon. So, we'll see!
Tara, samahan nyo kami.
Tara!
Yan na.
Yan na. Hello po.
Good evening.
Good evening po. Let's look at what's inside the upstairs station. Basta, another dine-in, kuya.
Yes.
Dining
The
area.
house, it has 5 rooms.
Oh, the house has 5 rooms.
Yes. Yung inuupuan nyo ngayon is one of the room. That is the receiving area of the family.
Oh, that's the receiving area of the family, yung inupuan
And this is
natin.
the attic, but we cannot go there anymore.
Oh, yeah. Of course.
Office na kasi nakalagay sir.
Office na yan.
Oh, wow.
Everything's here preserved talaga.
This is one of the room.
Okay, pakita mo, Shane, yung
Tara,
it's
pasukin
one of the rooms
Kaya kung
dito.
mapapansin nyo, ma'am, meron po exclusivity po kung nag-dining kayo dito.
Oh, yeah, it's nice. Kung marami, diba?
Before 6, before 8.
Oh. See, sobrang aliwalas niya. You can see everything here.
Hindi mo iisipin na dati siyang
Dati siyang bahay lang, residential house.
wala kang maramdaman na
Yes, because everything's parang preserved, renovated at the same time,
Ma'am,
diba?
actually, we just repaint it. We don't renovate anything.
Renovate. Ano lang, painting lang talaga to.
Matibay.
Matibay.
Revarnish lang po kami.
Kasi kahoy pa lang nitong na.
Opo.
Grabe. Wow.
nice.
Nice. Matanong ko po, okay lang naman kayo dito? Experience niyo?
Ma'am, actually 1 month ko pa lang kasi.
Ay, 1 month pa lang
Pero
yan.
ma'am, story lang yung mga sinasabi nila, hindi totoo.
Ako din naman, pag ako, hindi ko ma-feel yun. Kasi, for sure, yung may-ari dati dito, napaka...
Parang kaya kong tumira dito. Ay, mga ganon.
So, isa to sa mga rooms.
Yes po. Dito po sa second floor, it has 4 rooms. Yung isang inupuan nyo sa baba, that is one of the other room.
Yun yung receiving nila.
Receiving. Ayan. Okay,
So,
so...
may exclusivity po pag nag-dining dito. Before 6, before 8.
So, pwedeng tanggalin to, lagyan ng bed, okay na.
Kung gusto mo mag-check.
Kung gusto mag-check-in.
This is one of the other room also.
Okay, here. So, if you want exclusive na room for you to have a meeting or yung conferences na kayo lang dito. The ambience is good. I like the ambience. Kahit luma siya, masasabi ko parang, ewan ko, I feel fresh here. Fresh lang. So, parang nararamdaman ko yung very welcoming. Very welcoming. So, I like it. I'm very welcomed here. Oh, ito yung master bedroom.
Yes.
Look at the fireplace. Kasi this is nga the bedroom, master bedroom ng family. Dito dati sila the late Don Roberto and Doña Victorina. So, ito po, nandito po kami sa lugar ninyo. I'm so happy to be here. Kasi syempre, nandito pa rin, alam yung mga nakaraan nila. But here, this is a very big place for meetings. Very fresh yung air dito. I like it. Ano naman yung nasa door, kuya? Iba din yan.
Yung pintuan ng CR dati.
Pintuan na. So, nandyan pa yung CR?
Ma'am, I'm not really sure.
Ah.
Kasi this is the master bedroom, pintuan ng CR.
Ah, okay,
Doon po siya
okay.
ngayon.
Ayan, doon na siya ngayon. And then I heard yung fortune plant dyan sa harap. Ito yan yung paboritong, paborito nilang plant.
Yes.
Fortune plant. Don't cut it or whatever because it's fortune plant. Ay, so ito na yung restroom.
Yes po, ito na.
Okay. Galing. Nice ka yung... Fried camembert. I'll try my fried camembert salad. Camembert. With strawberry, strawberry vinaigrette. This is the fried camembert. Uy, may flower. Eat your rainbows.
Shout out Tita Sonia.
So, Tita Sonia, go shout out kay Joseph. Because I think this is really good. Okay. I'll try first yung sobrang daming vinaigrette.
Ma'am, enjoy
Good.
Kung pwede ako magpa-picture din.
Yes po. Pwede. Legit. I really like the vinaigrette. I have this. I'll try the fried camembert. Kind of big bite. Thank you. Ang sarap. I love it. This is the French onion soup.
Diyan na naman. Lettuce mo na lang sila. Gusto nyo na mag-plate.
Kind of sticky. Mainit. Para ako nasa Monterey, California. Katulad nung masarap nilang French onion soup. Dito lang pala sa Baguio to eh. Ito sa Joseph's. So good. I love it. Thank you so much. Dito muna ako mag-focus sa aking salad and soup. Yep, love it.
Bone marrow.
Wow, starter pa lang yan?
Oh my gosh. For starter. Shout out this guy.
Enjoy your bone marrow, ma'am.
Thank you, Jonah.
Jonah tsaka si Roberto. Si Robert pa.
Oh my gosh. So, syempre, after ng mga healthy food, dito tayo sa mas healthy. Diba? So, ito na nga. Look at that. Bone marrow. Oh my gosh. May sauce pa. Though may gulay, of course. May pa-side dish tayong gulay.
Are we saying that's the gravy, kumbaga?
Yeah, the gravy of this. Actually, starter pa lang to. Pero, pwede na siyang main dish. So, sobrang sulit. So, Langga, are you having fun?
Yes.
Yes,
Bone marrow
you are.
with this,
Yeah.
I think that's bagay or ano.
But, I will just try it first without the bread.
Parang ang lambot tingnan.
Di ba? Look at
Sure malambot
that.
yan, marrow.
Okay. First bite. Sorry. Oh, wow. Nagko-compliment yung bone marrow dun sa gravy niya. Alam mo yung medyo maasim. Masarap.
Try mo with the bread.
So, let's try it with the bread. Come on, let's do this. Siyempre, lagyan ulit natin ito. Oh, no, man. This is so sinful. But, yeah, why not? Minsan lang.
Spell sinful.
This one. Take a bite. Come on, let's do this. Para siyang
That's
butter.
in your mouth. Yeah, so good.
So good. Alam mo yung parang dinaig niya yung butter. At then, ganito. Kasi para talaga siyang butter.
Shout out to Miss Kai. Shout out.
Shout out, Miss Kai. Alam mo,
You love it here, so come here sa Baguio.
so good. Look at that. Look at that.
Ba't namumula ka?
Ganun siya.
Masarap.
Magpapahirap sa joke lang. Sarap. But not too much, okay? Pero isa pa. Pero so good. Thumbs up. Okay? This one, starter din to. Ay,
That's beef salpika.
yeah. Alam nyo, napaibig agad ako nung nakita ko.
Pero sa bahay ka lang, pwede mag-eat ka ng rice
Yeah.
with it.
And the garlic. Look at this. Come on. Come here. Look at that. Di ba? Oh my gosh. Every time makakita ako ng flower, I remember Tita Sonia.
Yes.
We'll visit you again soon. So, let's try this. With this one. I like garlic though. Look at that.
How's the food?
It's tender. It's juicy. Malasa. Hindi nag-overpower yung garlic. Nalalasa mo pa rin yung beef. At saka, I don't know this, yung oil niya. There's something na may flavor. May aroma.
Hanggang sino ang cook, ikikis natin.
Masarap siya. Thumbs up.
You like the garlic?
Yeah, I did.
Tender yung garlic.
This is
Yeah.
the steak.
So, this is our steak. Oh, wow.
What are we going to put here?
You can put it here. Yeah.
Ma'am, careful, it's very hot plate po.
Wow. Medium rare.
Oh. Diba?
And for the sauce, the red wine.
Red wine.
The red wine sauce.
Red one sauce.
Uh-huh.
And for the side dish,
Side
the
dish.
butter puree.
Oh, wow. Look at this.
Butter puree.
Let me try this one.
We're trying the butter puree. Side dish to. Sarap. Ang sarap niya. Can I marry you? Ang sarap. Para to sa mga mahilig talaga sa soft food.
How was it?
I can eat this all day. Sarap ga. Try it.
Okay. Ano mauuna? Alam mo, I cannot decide. I'm a meat lover, but this one is different. Sa, di ba, usually ang nakakain natin na mashed potato is makikita mo mash siya.
Oh,
But this one,
It's super mashed. And parang ano na,
Super.
puree. Naging puree siya.
so let's try. Yan. Look at that.
Right?
Mm.
Diba? So
Creamy. I like it.
Creamy.
Pero, alam mo yung malalasa mo pa rin yung potato. Sarap. Milky, buttery, yung potato, nandun pa rin,
So,
yung flavor.
Kaya nga sabi ko,
You
can I
can taste
marry
everything.
you?
Yeah, you can taste everything. Alam mo, wow, look at that. Come on, look. It's medium rare.
Tender?
Yes, it is. Effortless.
Wow.
Look at that. Let's try.
Did you put the gravy?
Oh, jeez.
Nakapagbabisaya ka ba? Lamig ka ayo.
Lamig yun.
Lamig ka
My God.
ayo.
Hindi mo kailangan ng anything na ilagay pa. You don't need any pepper, salt. Yun na siya. And nahuhuya ko siya.
Hindi rubbery.
Ang sarap.
Wow.
Alam mo yung lasa ng beef na yung masarap na beef na gusto mo matikman. I think pupunta tayo dito para lang dito sa steak.
Yeah.
Actually, sa lahat. So, meron na kami bagong favorite place na pupuntahan, nilangga. And you should try it dito. Kasi, if you want to go to a place na masusulit nyo yung date nyo, dito yan. Tapos, sulit yung food. Diba? Yung quality niya, yung service.
No,
I like the
worth
service.
it.
Sobrang worth it yan.
Worth it. You don't have to look at the price over and over again kasi sa pagkain pa lang worth it na lahat. Kumbaga, syempre, it's pricey because this is fine dining. But, kung ano talaga gusto mong matry dito, you can save your money and then worth it talaga para makakain ka dito. Ang sarap. Masarap siya. Walang char. Masarap talaga siya. Kasi, ewan ko, parang, pati pagkain very welcoming.
Yung place, alam mo yung place na,
Taste
yung
is giving.
Oo. Yung ambience niya, alam mo yung, maganda eh. Kasi we've been to a lot of places, restaurant. Alam mo yan.
Yes, ang masasabi ko lang langga. This is indeed Val's date for the both of us. And we've been to a lot of fine dining, but ito yung parang pareho kaming masaya. Pareho kaming masaya sa food.
Sarap. Grabe.
Thank you so much, Sir Joseph, na-introduce kami dito sa lugar mo, sa restaurant mo.
And yeah, sobrang thank you dahil nakilala ka namin. Kung hindi ka namin nakilala, hindi namin madidiscover to. Not
Yes.
because you are our friend, but we really love to try your food. And tama nga, masarap talaga siya. Because napanood namin, I think sabi ko nga kay Langga, we should try their food. And hindi ka magsisisi na pumunta ka dito.
Yes, I love it.
Aha. And, number 2, pag pupunta ka dito sa Baguio, make sure na kailangan matikman nyo yung food dito. Kasi, wow, one of the best experience na pwede nyo ma-experience dito sa Baguio. Kung meron lang to sa Manila, why not? Talagang dito kami pupunta. But, 3 hours away from Manila, why not? Diba?
It's Joseph's indeed. So, yeah.
So, wala pang sauce, masarap na siya. Let's put here
Red wine sauce.
red wine sauce. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. May different flavor siya ulit. May
Wait.
upgrade. Nung nilagyan ko siya nito, ng wine sauce.
Red wine sauce.
May ano siya. Yung kanina, steak, hindi mo na, akala mo, hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng anything. Pero nung nilagyan ko siya nito, alam mo yung parang siya nagka-flavor ng smoky, ng sweetness, yung garlicky. Masarap. Yung meat, yung beef, masarap talaga siya. So, you should try this one. Sayang di lang nakain silang ganang beef. Pero ako, bilang meat lover, I will definitely recommend this one.
So guys, ito yung staff ng Joseph Restaurant here sa Baguio and headed by our manager here, Sir Robert, na sobrang cute din. And ito yung chef natin na mahihain. At ito ang nag-serve sa atin kanina, si Miss Jonah. Jessica.
Jessica Soho, ma'am.
Jessica.
Maricel.
Anong?
Rainier, ma'am.
Rainiel, oh my gosh. So, sobrang happy kami kasi we're very satisfied with the food, the service and everything. Everything's so clean. welcoming, and the food is giving. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Joseph's here at Baguio. Thank you. Yeah. We're doing TikTok. Diba? Collab natin ang ating mga staff dito sa Joseph's. We have the best Valentine's date here at Joseph's here in Baguio. And, you know, behind the scene is my date, Mel de Guia. Sobrang na-enjoy namin talaga. This is really memorable for the both of us. And shout out to the best chef, of course, Ma'am Gemma Zambrano. Thank you so much. Every food is great. Oh my God. I highly recommend this restaurant here in Baguio. The number 14 La Peral dito sa Leonard Street sa Baguio. So, Ma'am Gemma, Sir Joseph, maraming salamat po. And guys, if you're here in Baguio, then don't forget, huwag mo kalimutan ang Joseph. Sobrang sarap dito. Oh my gosh, worth it. So, I love you from Sherman, mga palangga. Mwah! Thank you. Thank you, house. Thank you, Joseph's. Thank you po.